from the Civil War. This pumpkin bread was popular mainly in the South. They cooked the pumpkin bread because there was a large amount of pumpkins. So, this recipe requires 2 eggs, 1 cup of pumpkin mashed, 2 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, first we have to crack the eggs into a separate bowl and check and make sure there's no blood. We checked the eggs and there's no blood, so now we can put them into the bowl. Now we'll add the pumpkin. Now we mix that.
Should I use a whisk? Should I use a whisk?
Okay, now we're good. We will now add everything else. The flour, three-fourths a cup of sugar, excuse me, the sugar decided to be difficult. And the lone 1/2 cup of nutmeg. And then we mix well.
We will be back after this short break.
Hi, welcome back. We just finished up with stirring the pumpkin mix, and now we're going to put it into the bowl. The 9x5 baking pan. We pre-buttered the pan earlier, so that when it's done cooking, we'll be able to actually get it out of the pan. Okay, now that we have put the pumpkin mix into the pan, we're going to put it in the oven. was preheated. The oven was preheated to 350. We did this before we started baking it so that it would. We now will put it in and wait for it to be.